Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by installing and configuring Git so commits map to you. Once installed, set git config global user. Name and git config global user. Email, this links identity to GitHub. Next, create a project directory, add files, then run git in it to create a local repository. Add a readme, use git add, and git commit m initial commit to record the snapshot. These are the first actionable steps that get your code tracked and ready to push to GitHub. Once your local repo exists, connect it to GitHub so others can access it. If you prefer CLI, use gh-repo create, or create a repo in the browser and copy the SSH or HTTPS URL. Add the remote with git remote add origin URL, then fetch and set the branch. Git push uorigin main. Make sure to choose SSH keys for passwordless pushes or use a personal access token for HTTPS. This secures authentication and simplifies future pushes and pulls. You finish by using branches and pull requests to integrate changes without breaking main. Create a branch with git checkout b, commit often, then push and open a pull request on GitHub for review. Once approved, merge via the web or GH, then pull updates locally with git pull. If something goes wrong, check git status and git log to inspect history, then use git revert for safe undo or git reset for local cleanup. These troubleshooting steps recover work without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.